On this screen, you'll see the overview of the products available in your inventory. In the middle of the screen, you can see the product database, which contains a system-generated code, supplier code, category, product name, quantity, trade price, retail price, the preferred supplier, and status of an item. On the far right of the screen, you have several buttons which allow for viewing products, editing, or even deleting a product. By clicking on the View icon, you get an overview of the product, including multiple pictures and supplier code, generally your preferred supplier. Underneath this are trade and retail prices of up to 3 suppliers' manufacturers. Prices are according to the supplier's price list. You'll notice that the supplier's name is in blue. We've allowed the system to generate an email to the contact email address for that supplier. By default, the system will open Outlook and have your supplier's email details preloaded. This comes in handy if you want to inquire about a part and is a real time saver compared to looking through your email client's contacts database. The system can also aid in generating more accurate freight costs. Notice the fields for height, width, length, and weight. This information can be used when filling connotes for freight companies. Finally, the quantity on hand and a detailed description of the product. In order to create a product, you'll need to specify at least a category. Category and subcategory are preferred. Continuing on, you'll also require a product name, supplier code, quantity, height, width, length, weight, and description. A tip to remember if you are currently used to an inventory management program which you type a product number in to display the desired product, we recommend that you use the same principle here. An example being 0001. Awesome part, instead of having the product name as just awesome part. So it's coming up to stocktake time. By going to Inventory, Products and selecting Export, the system will print out a detailed report for end of financial year. It contains the product's name, supplier codes, supplier prices, and recommended retail prices. Basically, all the information that you added into the system to create a product, you'll see in this report. To make this inventory management software complete, the system also allows for the export sheet to be imported back into the system. This will then update any fields that have changed, including any descriptions, names of products, prices, and quantity. Our goal in this process was to take the pain and hassle out of stocktake and data entry jobs. This section allows the user to generate contact and shipping information for their suppliers. This is also where entering an email address in the correct field will allow Outlook to open when inventory, products, and the supplier's name is selected. At an extra cost, we can configure the supplier's database for you.